What if the key to unlocking a future of financial success wasn't a traditional degree or years of experience, but a set of specialized skills? In 2026, the path to increasing your income is more accessible than ever, thanks to the high-demand skills that businesses are craving. Imagine having the ability to earn a six-figure salary with just a few years of focused effort and smart investments in your abilities. Let's dive into the top 8 skills that will skyrocket your income over time and set you up for a prosperous future. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly become one of the most lucrative fields in 2026. It's no longer just a futuristic concept but a reality that is transforming industries like finance, healthcare, marketing, and more. AI specialists are in high demand, and their ability to optimize workflows, create advanced systems, and provide valuable insights has placed them at the forefront of business innovation. Companies across sectors are investing heavily in AI technology to stay competitive, resulting in a surge in job opportunities for skilled professionals. If you've ever wondered how AI is reshaping industries, consider this. AI's ability to analyze data, predict trends, and automate processes is changing everything from customer service to product recommendations. Specializing in areas like prompt engineering, model fine-tuning, and AI integration into business systems can lead to significant financial rewards. With AI's growing presence, opportunities for career advancement continue to expand, offering professionals the chance to work on cutting-edge projects with global impact. The demand for AI professionals is so strong that income potential can reach between $120,000 and $200,000 annually. So, if you're looking for a way to increase your income in 2026, getting into AI could be the best decision you make. 2. Data science and analytics. As businesses continue to rely on data for decision-making, data science and analytics have evolved into one of the most valuable skill sets in the world. The ability to interpret vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and provide actionable insights is crucial for any modern company. Whether it's understanding customer behavior, improving operational efficiency, or predicting future market trends, data scientists hold the key to valuable business intelligence. In a world driven by data, organizations are increasingly looking to data professionals to help them stay ahead of the competition and make smarter, data-driven decisions. To excel in data science, you need to be proficient with tools like Python, SQL, Tableau, and Power BI. These tools are essential for analyzing complex datasets, creating interactive visualizations, and generating reports that help companies make informed decisions. Additionally, a strong understanding of machine learning algorithms and statistical models can further enhance your value as a data scientist. The income potential for data scientists is impressive, often ranging from $110,000 to $180,000 annually, depending on experience and expertise. In 2026, mastering data science could be your ticket to a high-paying career with plenty of growth opportunities and the chance to work on exciting, impactful projects. 3. Digital marketing and SEO. In today's world, every business needs an online presence, making digital marketing and SEO, search engine optimization, indispensable skills. Digital marketing encompasses a wide range of strategies, from search engine advertising to social media marketing. However, one of the most critical aspects of digital marketing is SEO. It's the art and science of ensuring a website ranks highly in search engine results, driving traffic and increasing visibility. SEO specialists can work as consultants, offering their expertise to businesses looking to improve their online presence. Whether it's developing an SEO strategy, performing website audits, or optimizing for better performance, SEO remains a cornerstone of digital marketing. With the rise of e-commerce and digital businesses, the demand for SEO professionals continues to grow, with consultants charging anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000 per client. By mastering SEO, you can position yourself as a high-income expert in an ever-growing industry. 4. Software development and web engineering. Even with the advancements in AI, the demand for skilled software developers and web engineers has not waned. In fact, it's stronger than ever. As businesses shift toward digital solutions and tech infrastructure, developers who can design, build, and maintain secure, scalable applications are essential to the success of modern companies. Software development is at the core of every successful business, and it drives innovation across industries, from healthcare to e-commerce. If you're interested in software development, you'll need to master key areas like full-stack development, mobile app development, iOS, Android, and cloud-based systems. Whether you work on large-scale enterprise applications or create mobile apps, the income potential in this field is substantial. As demand continues to grow, top developers are increasingly in control of their career paths. In 2026, software development remains a stable and rewarding career choice that continues to offer impressive earning potential and significant job security. 5. Cybersecurity and cloud computing. As the digital world expands, so do the threats that companies face in securing their data and systems. This is where cybersecurity and cloud computing come into play. Protecting digital assets from hackers, securing sensitive data, and ensuring that cloud infrastructure runs smoothly are all critical responsibilities in today's business environment. Cybersecurity specialists focus on network security, ethical hacking, and cloud architecture, such as AWS and Azure, ensuring that businesses remain safe from evolving digital threats. Cloud computing experts help companies implement and maintain cloud services, providing scalable and secure solutions that are essential for modern businesses. The income potential in these fields is high, with cybersecurity analysts earning anywhere from $90,000 to $160,000 per year. As cyber threats continue to grow in complexity, cybersecurity and cloud computing skills are only going to become more valuable in the coming years. 6. High-ticket sales and negotiation. One of the most straightforward ways to increase your income is by mastering the art of high-ticket sales and negotiation. Sales professionals who excel in closing large deals and negotiating contracts that generate significant revenue can earn substantial commissions and bonuses. High-ticket sales roles typically involve selling complex products or services that have a higher price point, such as software, consulting services, or specialized equipment. To succeed in high-ticket sales, you need to be skilled in lead generation, relationship building, and negotiation tactics. Sales professionals who are adept at closing deals can earn anywhere from $200,000 to $500,000 plus annually, depending on the industry and their performance. For anyone who enjoys the thrill of closing deals and has excellent interpersonal skills, high-ticket sales can be an incredibly lucrative career path. 7. Strategic financial planning. It's not just about earning more money, it's about knowing how to manage it. Strategic financial planning is a critical skill for anyone looking to increase their wealth over time. Understanding how to allocate your resources, invest wisely, and manage your taxes can help you build and preserve your financial assets. While growing your income is important, it's equally important to ensure that your money works for you. Financial planning involves creating financial models, preparing for tax season, and setting investment goals. Proper financial management also helps prevent lifestyle creep, where spending increases as income rises. By focusing on tax planning, retirement savings, and strategic investments, you can ensure that your income continues to grow through the power of compounding. The financial planning field is essential for anyone looking to secure their financial future and avoid wasting money. 8. Content creation and personal branding. In the digital age, content creation and personal branding have become powerful tools for generating income. By building an online presence and growing an engaged audience, you can turn your knowledge and expertise into multiple income streams. Whether it's creating YouTube videos, offering online courses, or participating in affiliate marketing, content creation allows you to monetize your passions and skills. Successful content creators understand the value of video production, copywriting, and strategic social media management. Building a personal brand takes time, but with the right strategy, it can lead to significant financial rewards. Successful creators often earn hundreds of dollars per hour, depending on the size and engagement of their audience. Whether you're a freelancer or an entrepreneur, content creation is a powerful skill to master in 2026 for those seeking a flexible and high-income lifestyle. That wraps up the top 8 money skills that can help increase your income over time in 2026. If you're looking to future-proof your career and set yourself up for financial success, these are the skills you need to focus on. Whether you're interested in AI, data science, or content creation, there's a path for everyone. Remember, it's not just about earning more, it's about creating long-term value and making your skills work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and insights. Stay tuned for the next video.